Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn this 1 pound basket into this pretty fabric storage. For this project I use yute, a plastic basket, fabric for the lining, scissors, measurement tape, thread and needle if you don't have a sewing machine, and clips. I started by measuring the basket and then cut the yute for the outer and bottom of the basket. And I sewed a straight stitch. I cut the yute double the size and I folded it to make it look thicker. After I fold it, pin it and sewed the ends together. Then I marked the middle points with an erasable pen on both yute fabric, clip them together and stitch them. I repeated the same steps for the lining fabric. I could leave the basket like that, just folding the top of the lining fabric, but I made 2 handles that I will attach later. I added a 3 cm piece of fabric to the yute. I folded the edge of the white fabric and lined up with the edge of the inner fabric. In between both fabrics, I pinned the handles to each side. To finish, I sewed them all the way around. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, like and share the video. Hit the bell notification to get notified when we upload a new content. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Gracias por vernos. Asegúrate de suscribirte a nuestro canal. Déjanos tu comentario. Dale te gusta y comparte el video. Presiona la campana de notificación para que no te pierdas ninguno de nuestros nuevos videos. También nos puedes encontrar en Facebook y en Instagram.